Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my classic fitness happy planner, and this week I will be using the colorful floral sticker book. I realized I haven't used that yet, but this is what last week's looks like, where I used some of the fitness work it out stickers, and I also used that with the new stickers from the Disney Be Happy box, and I think it turned out actually really cute. So this week again I will be using colorful florals, and I'm gonna bring in these, I say icons, but I guess these deco stickers from the fitness sticker book. Yes, I did pull them out because they're really the only stickers that I will probably use out of the whole fitness sticker book. All right, let's get started. So I've gone ahead and redated the top there because I do like my weeks to start on the Friday and go to the Thursday. So let's see. I'm just trying to think. I mean, it's been a while since I've used this sticker book, so forgive me. Just trying to, I know I will definitely be using these because these are pretty. But I think what I'll do is use this down the side, and this will be where I will have my goals for the week. Oops. And then these I will use throughout the week, but look at these gorgeous flowers. Oh, I could use a pink one too. That's okay. These are pretty. Oh, there's just so many pretty boxes. I don't know why I haven't used this before today. Like, what is going on, Karina? Okay. I'm gonna put a Live Life in Full Bloom down here, and then see if I can't fit a floral down here. Yes, I can. Looks like it'll be this one, and I say fit, but as much as I can do anyway. I'll have to probably cut a little bit out, but that's okay. All right, now for up here, I do want to use some of those boxes because I think they're so pretty, but then I also want to use these. So I don't know what would work out best because I still want to have enough room to journal, but I want to use the pretty boxes. So let's see. Oh, there's some prettiness here. I think this is actually what I'm going to end up using, these pretty boxes, because why not? I'm going to turn this one around actually, because I want to put down a small box for my weight, because I do still weigh myself weekly. Then put this green down here, and the top row is what I use for journaling. So I journal how I feel after my workout. Ooh, how I feel after my workout, how I feel in terms of eating that day. I feel like I'm gonna rip it. Oof. That one went down wonky. But yeah, it's a different type of journaling than I would do in my horizontal. This is mainly about my wellness. Alrighty. Oh, that's pretty. So then I'm gonna put a very important sticker up here for my weight. Then I want to see what other boxes they have, because I think I could definitely make use of those. Here we go. Top priority, remember this. I'm actually going to put a top priority for Saturday for rest, because I think my body really needs it, and I haven't been as good at giving my body rest as I should be. So maybe remember this, and this is where I will keep track of my sleep and my water intake. Then I want to use one of these because they're so pretty. Like if I went like this across, I could still have room to write my workout. Oh yeah. I'll make it work. You guys know I normally do. Yeah. And then let's see what other florals. Oh, I like these. I have a dream. Actually, I'm gonna put this down here. I will rest because I do need that. I am strong. I feel like should go. Although putting that down there, I do block a lot of room for writing down my workouts, so I'll move it up a little. Then these are so pretty. But now I just want little florals to put around the spread. So focus on wellness. I like that up there. Focus on doing. I'm going to put that here. And then let's go find some florals. I think I'll end up using these throughout. I don't know what this is doing here. Oops. Oh, come on. There we go. So I'm going to cut this. Oops. Oh, that's my lip gloss. Wow, a bit of a mess. Cut this and place it in two different parts of the spread. And now I'm thinking, and sometimes I feel like when I think I could get myself into a bit of trouble. I'm going to place one here. And I actually really like that already. And then one here. Perfect. I don't feel like I need to add too much, but then I also could always add the water. Oh, look at the different water bottle. It's blue. And actually the blue matches. Then, how did I not see the blue last time? Then get a pink sports bra for, there's too many stickers there already. I feel like if I add another one, it's gonna, it won't really do me any good by adding another one. So I'm just gonna put that back down. And let's just add this here. And I thought there was one for a watch, but I think, no, I don't think I took that one. Okay. So is there anything else that I could put down? No, I think that's it. So I'm gonna go in and write in this and then basically talk you through how I write in it. So in this portion here, I make note of my goals for the week. And I do generally have the same goals every week. So it's my nighttime routine, my steps, making sure I am getting over 12,000 steps per day. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. My calories burned, which I aim for 2,000. My water intake, which I like to go for 2 liters a day. And then my protein, and I'm aiming for 125 grams per day, and I have been really sorely lacking in that. So then I go in and add circles for each one for each day of the week. So then in this area of my fitness planner, this is where I just basically track how I feel with every workout. Some workouts are better than others, maybe talk about how I went up in weight and things like that. And it's always interesting for me to look back on that. And then this square is where I keep track of my weight. I weigh in on Saturday mornings. And then in this square here, I keep track of my sleep score, which I get from my Fitbit. And then this is where I also keep track of my water. So like I said, I aim for 2 liters of water every day, and every circle is 200 mils. It's just the way that my water bottle measures it, so it's easier for me to do it by every 200. And then in here, I'm actually going to grab a mod liner, or a few mod liners. So maybe the yellow and the pink and the green. And I'm going to use them to mark breakfast, lunch, dinner. And I go in and just write my breakfast. So I'll show you how I kind of just write everything in here. And then in this portion down here, I keep track of the workouts that I'm gonna do. As well as the steps and calories that I've burned. All right, so that's what one column looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and fill in the rest here. So I'm just going to finish the last bit of my spread here, but I hope you guys enjoyed this type of plan with me, seeing me fill in my spread. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have yourselves a great day.